Okay, a friend wanted me to run out round to the stores with them today. We're going to stop off to IKEA. Go on in here and have some Swedish meatballs and check out. I've yet to be into the IKEA, so we'll check it out real quick. So we'll head on in there now. Okay, this is kind of like the Swedish grocery store over here. Got a few items. Over there. And here's a few of the small grocery items around here. Excuse me if I'm shaking, I just came in from the cold out there. I'm not sure if that's all the water or what. That is again. Stuff up there. Across the store a little bit more. A few more of the foods here. Oh, the store again. And here's their different coffees. Sounds like we might have some people here from Sweden and Germany. Try to pick up their voice. Okay, I can't speak Swedish or whatever, but we notice these down here, little pastas, and try to zoom in. I don't know if you can make that out. They're moose pastas. See the little moose? I've talked to my friend and picking up some of these. Yeah, across there, there's their little bistro over there. More groceries around here. And all kinds of preserves and stuff back there. There's these back over here. I want to check this out. They have this around the side here. There's all these nice cakes and pastries in here. Oh, yummy. Shooting the same stuff there.